Not only is it the world's favourite football team, but Brazil is also the world's agriculture, resource and environmental giant, with close to 30% of the world's forests. Often called the lungs of the world, but people don't know that Brazil is also the world's stomach. It's an enormous food producer. Brazil is the world's largest exporter of soybeans, of coffee, producer of sugar and ethanol. It's the #1 producer and exporter of orange juice, with over half of the world's market. It's also got the world's largest cattle herd. Brazil is the largest exporter of beef in the world, the 4th largest producer of swine, and the largest exporter of chicken meat on the entire planet. It is technologically on a par with the US or the EU, and in the next half century, Brazil holds the key to the planetary 3 H's. Brazil is a producing giant, yet it's a branding pygmy. It rarely gets its story right. So rather than marvel at the fact that Brazilian soybeans feed billions, we hear, rightly it must be said, Brazilian soybean producers force cattle ranchers off the land, who then burn and clear the forest, allowing loggers to defile the Amazon. Maybe it's time for Brazil to think of a new story, one of more efficient production, more aggressive environmental protection, where Brazil's agriculture is part of the global solution than part of the global problem.